The world of business is constantly evolving, and Gen Z entrepreneurs are leading the charge with their innovative ideas and unique perspectives. With the rise of technology and the increasing demand for innovative solutions, the entrepreneurial spirit of Generation Z has been on the rise. If you are a member of these generations and looking to start your own business, you are in luck. Whether you are interested in technology, sustainability, or fashion, there's a business idea out there for you. In this video, we'll be covering the most promising and exciting business opportunities for Gen Z entrepreneurs. So sit back, grab a notepad, and get ready to take notes. These 10 business ideas could be your ticket to success in the world of entrepreneurship. So let's get started. Number 10. Start a blog or look for writing gigs. If you want to share your enthusiasm for anything specific, whether it's travel, art, culinary, technology, etc., go typing. You can also do some research online to find businesses that have a blog and hire writers to update it regularly. You may publish your blog posts on any number of platforms, but the quickest way to make money in this millennial side hustle is to write for corporations. Writers who produce promotional letters, website copy or content, and articles sometimes juggle many clients and/or jobs. Get started writing about a subject you are interested in and utilize that work to drum up business. Launching your blog with any degree of success might lead you to consider formulating your endeavor. Number 9. Create digital products. Create original works of art, from posters to prints to t-shirts and jewelry, and sell them via online marketplaces like Etsy or social media channels like Facebook or Craigslist. Those who are making their goods and selling them to others online may make use of marketplaces like Etsy. Almost everything you can imagine can be found on Etsy, but that doesn't mean it won't do well if you make it. To attract clients, you can promote your best work on these platforms, all of which will be 100% unique. Number 8. Become a virtual assistant. Many businesses need and are prepared to pay for assistants with a wide range of administrative tasks. The duties of a virtual assistant might range from simple data input to making cold calls to potential clients. Due to the widespread use of digital technologies and the rise of telecommuting since the pandemic's inception, an increasing number of companies are seeking virtual employees to assist with their day-to-day tasks. Bookkeeping, payroll, lead creation, outbound marketing, email communication, customer support, and more are just some of the jobs that a virtual assistant can accomplish. Explore the market for virtual assistants by doing a search on LinkedIn. Number 7. Leverage social media. Create vlogs or short films to instruct, amuse, or share interesting occurrences with other people to cultivate a following that comes about naturally. You might also use your audience to attract the attentions of businesses who are looking to advertise their goods and services. It might be difficult to make a living off of social media platforms like YouTube and TikTok, but even the most successful users of these sites had to start from the bottom. Choosing a specialized market segment is sound advice since it allows you to investigate the market from all sides and deliver your findings to an ever-expanding audience. If you know your thing and aren't scared to put yourself out there, how-to videos, reviews, fashion vlogs, weight loss suggestions, and other types of videos might be fantastic locations to start your own YouTube channel. Just keep in mind that you don't have to worry about beating out Charlie or Cabby to get money. Number 6. Sell stock photography or drone footage. Do you happen to have a decent camera lying around? Perhaps a drone? Concentrate on producing excellent photographs of commonplace objects, scenic areas, or aerial footage, and then offer them for sale on websites that specialize in stock photography and videography. Sites like Shutterstock, Getty Images, and Pexels welcome contributions, which means that you can sell your stock photographs and video footage to generate an income for those sites. Every single day, businesses invest in and make use of stock photography, and these same businesses are always on the lookout for high-quality, unique photographs and generic footage. Royalties of these kinds of sites normally begin at around 15%, and although it's possible that this method won't bring in money quickly, none of them truly do. Number 5. Design websites. Do not be concerned if you are not an expert programmer. You may market your services to new company owners that want an online presence by becoming knowledgeable in the usage of website builders such as WordPress, Squarespace, or Wix, and then offering your services to them. Websites that are small to medium in size are often developed with the help of website builders, which do not need a great deal of sophisticated understanding of coding. To get started, check out the websites of the mom and pop stores you walk by and inquire as to whether or not they would gain anything from having a simple landing page or more in-depth product pages to attract new customers. Small local businesses should all have websites. Number 4, start a podcast. The same as with social media, if you can speak for hours about a certain topic, establishing a podcast might help you make more of that Gen Z side hustle money while pursuing something you love. The production of a podcast can be started with nothing more than a computer and an internet connection. There is no need to invest in pricey microphone equipment or even software that requires payment. Many podcasts are begun with nothing more than an iPhone, and if you want to host your podcast for free, you may utilize websites such as anchor.fm. Make sure you put together a rough plan before you start recording. This will increase the likelihood that you will create an interesting program, which will in turn increase the number of people who listen to it. Number 3, dive into the world of affiliate marketing. You can earn a commission by promoting products or services you believe in and sending customers to the vendor's website using a unique referral link. Individuals, influential people, and even other businesses can earn money by recommending goods and services to companies. There is no restrictions on the number of affiliate programs in which you can participate. So, start exploring your favorite sites to see whether they have an affiliate page where you can understand how they implement their system for earning extra money. In this case, the majority of companies will provide you with a unique link or coupon code to promote their products on your blog, in your social media profiles, or even simply with your friends and family. If you want to become a YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram star, then affiliate marketing and influencer marketing might be the perfect Gen Z side job for you. Number 2, become a software coach or consultant. Study the ins and outs of newly released software tools that may assist companies in boosting their efficiency and then offer your skills as a trainer or as a consultant to firms. Software as a service, often known as SWAS, is the process of becoming an expert in new software platforms and then either instructing others on how to use them effectively or putting them up for people and companies. Popular platforms or project management software include ClickUp, Asana, Basecamp, and Slack. Businesses are willing to pay to learn how to use and have these platforms set up for them. Number 1, serve a need in your community. If you're seeking ideas for a physical side hustle, you should think about the things that are required just outside your door. Someone constantly needs help with something, whether it's clearing snow or mowing the yard, washing the windows or walking the dogs. It's possible that you'll be astonished by the prospects just in your hometown. Every day, people pay for a wide variety of services, including dog walking, home sitting, yard care, handyman services, and a lot of other things. And you might earn a respectable living by being the go-to person in your community for odd chores. There are also several websites that have been developed specifically to meet the requirements of the community. Community-specific websites like Rover for dog walking, Mind My House for home sitting, and Bark for general handy services are just a few examples. Thank you for tuning in to learn about the 10 best business ideas for Gen Z entrepreneurs. We hope this has sparked some inspirations and motivated you to explore your entrepreneurial potential. Remember, the key success is to identify a need, take calculated risks, and stay persistent. So go ahead and turn your passion into profit by creating a business that not only benefits you but also makes a positive impact on society. Thanks for watching.